Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover building a secure chatbot using anything LLM, AI-powered tools for recruitment, the capabilities of ChatGPT, Apple's developments in AI health coaching, Google's testing of AI for web page summarization, and the Wondercraft AI platform for podcasting with a special discount code. If you're interested in creating your own custom chatbot for your business, there's a great option you should definitely check out. It's called Anything LLM, and it's the first chatbot that offers top-notch privacy and security for enterprise-grade needs. You see, when you use other chatbots like ChatGPT from OpenAI, they collect various types of data from you. Things like prompts and conversations, geolocation data, network activity information, commercial data such as transaction history, and even identifiers like your contact details. They also take device and browser cookies as well as log data like your IP address. Now, if you opt to use their API to interact with their LLMs, like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, then your data is not collected. So what's the solution? Build your own private and secure chatbot. Sounds complicated, right? Well, not anymore. Mintplex Labs, which is actually backed by Y Combinator, has just released Anything LLM. This amazing platform lets you build your own chatbot in just 10 minutes, and you don't even need to know how to code. They provide you with all the necessary tools to create and manage your chatbot using API keys. Plus, you can enhance your chatbot's knowledge by importing data like PDFs and emails. The best part is that all this data remains confidential, as only you have access to it. Unlike ChatGPT, where uploading PDFs, videos, or other data might put your information at risk, with Anything LLM, you have complete control over your data's security. So if you're ready to build your own business-compliant and secure chatbot, head over to useanything.com. All you need is an OpenAI or Azure OpenAI API key. And if you prefer using the open source code yourself, you can find it on their GitHub repo at github.com/mintplex-labs/anything-LLM. Check it out and build your own customized chatbot today. AI-powered tools have revolutionized the recruitment industry, enabling companies to streamline their hiring processes and make better-informed decisions. Let's take a look at some of the top tools that are transforming talent acquisition. First up, Humanly.io offers conversational AI to recruit and retain at scale. This tool is specifically designed for high-volume hiring in organizations, enhancing candidate engagement through automated chat interactions. It allows recruiters to effortlessly handle large numbers of applicants with a personalized touch. Another great tool is Meta.ar, an AI-driven healthcare talent sourcing platform. It automates resume screening, provides personalized job recommendations, and offers cost-effective solutions. This is especially valuable in the healthcare industry, where finding the right talent is crucial. For comprehensive candidate sourcing and screening, ZappyHire is an excellent choice. This platform combines features like candidate sourcing, resume screening, automated communication, and collaborative hiring, making it a valuable all-in-one solution. Sniper AI utilizes AI algorithms to source potential candidates, assess their suitability, and seamlessly integrates with applicant tracking systems, ATS, for workflow optimization. It simplifies the hiring process and ensures that the best candidates are identified quickly and efficiently. Lastly, PeopleGPT, developed by Juicebox, provides recruiters with a tool to simplify the process of searching for people data. Recruiters can input specific queries to find potential candidates, saving time and improving efficiency. With the soaring demand for AI specialists, compensation for these roles is reaching new heights. American companies are offering nearly $1 million salary to experienced AI professionals. Industries like entertainment and manufacturing are scrambling to attract data scientists and machine learning specialists, resulting in fierce competition for talent. As the demand for AI expertise grows, companies are stepping up their compensation packages. Mid-six-figure salaries, lucrative bonuses, and stock grants are being offered to lure experienced professionals. While top positions like machine learning platform product managers can command up to $900,000 in total compensation, other roles, such as prompt engineers, can still earn around $130,000 annually. The recruitment landscape is rapidly changing with the help of AI-powered tools, making it easier for businesses to find and retain top talent. So, you're leading a remote team and looking for advice on how to effectively manage them, communicate clearly, monitor progress, and maintain a positive team culture? Well, you've come to the right place. Managing a remote team can have its challenges, but fear not, because ChatGPT is here to help. First and foremost, let's talk about clear communication. One strategy for ensuring this is by scheduling and conducting virtual meetings. These meetings can help everyone stay on the same page, discuss goals, and address any concerns or questions. It's important to set a regular meeting schedule and make sure everyone has the necessary tools and technology to join. Next up, task assignment. When working remotely, it's crucial to have a system in place for assigning and tracking tasks. There are plenty of online tools available, such as project management software, that can help streamline this process. These tools allow you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in one place. Speaking of progress tracking, it's essential to have a clear and transparent way to monitor how things are progressing. This can be done through regular check-ins, status updates, and using project management tools that provide insights into the team's progress. Now let's focus on maintaining a positive team culture in a virtual setting. One way to promote team building is by organizing virtual team building activities. These can range from virtual happy hours to online game nights. The key is to create opportunities for team members to connect and bond despite the physical distance. In summary, effectively managing a remote team requires clear communication, task assignment and tracking, progress monitoring, and promoting team building. With the help of ChatGPT, you're well equipped to tackle these challenges and lead your team to success. Did you know that Apple is reportedly working on an AI-powered health coaching service called Quartz? This service will help users improve their exercise, eating habits, and sleep quality. By using AI and data from the user's Apple Watch, Quartz will create personalized coaching programs and even introduce a monthly fee. But that's not all. Apple is also developing emotion tracking tools and plans to launch an iPad version of the iPhone Health app this year. This move by Apple is significant because it shows that AI is making its way into IoT devices like smartwatches. The combination of AI and IoT can potentially revolutionize our daily lives, allowing devices to adapt and optimize settings based on external circumstances. Imagine your smartwatch automatically adjusting its settings to help you achieve your health goals. That's the power of AI in action. In other Apple news, the company recently made several announcements at the WWDC 2023 event. While they didn't explicitly mention AI, they did introduce features that heavily rely on AI technology. For example, Apple Vision Pro uses advanced machine learning techniques to blend digital content with the physical world. Upgraded autocorrect, improved dictation, live voicemail, personalized volume, and the Journal app all utilize AI in their functionality. Although Apple didn't mention the word AI, these updates and features demonstrate that the company is indeed leveraging AI technologies across its products and services. By incorporating AI into its offerings, Apple is joining the ranks of Google and Microsoft in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. Lastly, it's worth noting that Apple is also exploring AI chatbot technology. The company has developed its own language model called Ajax and an AI chatbot named Apple GPT. They aim to catch up with competitors like OpenAI and Google in this space. While there's no clear strategy for releasing AI technology directly to consumers yet, Apple is considering integrating AI tools into Siri to enhance its functionality and keep up with advancements in the field. Overall, Apple's efforts in AI development and integration demonstrate its commitment to staying competitive in the rapidly advancing world of artificial intelligence. Hey there, I want to talk to you today about some interesting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. It seems like Google is always up to something, and this time, they're testing a new feature on Chrome. It's called SGE while browsing, and what it does is break down long web pages into easy-to-read key points. How cool is that? It makes it so much easier to navigate through all that information. In other news, Talon Analytics, a leading innovator in SaaS and AI technology, has announced that their AI-powered computer vision platform is revolutionizing the way wireless operators visualize and analyze network assets. By using end-to-end AI and machine learning, they're making it easier to manage and optimize networks. This could be a game changer for the industry. But it's not just Google and Talon Analytics making waves. Beijing is getting ready to implement new regulations for AI services, aiming to strike a balance between state control and global competitiveness. And speaking of competitiveness, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are buying up high-performance chips crucial for building AI software. Looks like they're joining the global AI arms race. Oh, and here's some surprising news. There's a prediction that OpenAI might go bankrupt by the end of 2024. That would be a huge blow for the AI community. Let's hope it doesn't come true and they find a way to overcome any challenges they may face. Well, that's all the AI news I have for you today. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. Have you been itching to dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Introducing AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence, a must-have book written by the brilliant Etienne Newman. This essential read is now available at popular platforms like Shopify, Apple, Google, and even Amazon. So, no matter where you prefer to get your books, you're covered. Now let's talk about the incredible tool behind this podcast. It's called Wondercraft AI, and it's an absolute game changer. With Wondercraft AI, starting your own podcast has never been easier. You'll have the power to use hyper-realistic AI voices as your host, just like me. How cool is that? Oh, and did I mention you can score a fantastic 50% discount on your first month of Wondercraft AI? Just use the code AIUnraveled50 and you're good to go. That's an awesome deal if you ask me. So, whether you're eager to explore the depths of artificial intelligence through Etienne Newman's book, or you're ready to take the plunge and create your own podcast with Wondercraft AI, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI like never before. On today's episode, we covered a range of topics, including building a secure chatbot for your business, AI-powered tools for recruitment and their impact on salaries, the versatility of ChatGPT, Apple's advancements in AI health coaching, Google's AI-driven web page summarization, and the latest offerings from the Wondercraft AI platform. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.